My name is Ricardo Ortiz. I'm a field service technician here at Crown Lift Joliet. So I wake up in the morning, turn on my van, and I go to I clock in on my tablet. My tablet will tell me where I have to go that morning, show up, and usually start off with some preventative maintenance. If anything's broken down, you gotta look at that and carry out your day like that. Every van comes equipped with an air compressor and some shelves so you can put stuff like oil, hydraulic fluid, transmission fluid. You can put service manuals in there. Our tablet works as a service manual too. Some people like to go old-fashioned and actually have the books. You have a spot so you can put your toolbox for all your tools. Usually a good idea is to have a dolly on you so you can wheel stuff in and out of buildings, and a little carry-on bag so you can put your essentials in. And we have a vineyard for all like fuses and small parts that we might need. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. Besides the safety, cones and fall protection, stuff like that. Crown visits UTI regularly. So I would sit through their interviews. I sat through several of them, and they spoke so, just everything made like sense. Like this seemed like such a good opportunity, almost too good to be true. So a buddy of mine from UTI came here, recommended me. I came in, and so that's how that happened. In school, I knew I wanted to take a hands-on route instead of going to like college or something like that. And through my shop class, I heard about UTI, and another buddy of mine went to UTI, and he recommended it to me. I said, let me give it a shot, and I liked it. It's like anything else, you get what you put into it. Oh, I took automotive and diesel industrial. I really liked it. One of the things is that the teachers, the actual teachers, they have, I always like to say, like, they have heart in what they do. They are always there to help you. If you go to ask a teacher for help, an instructor, I mean, they're never gonna turn you down or send you on your way. Even if it's after class, they'll stay after and help you out. So that's what I really liked about UTI. Yeah, they definitely did. I was the first one in my immediate family to do anything after high school. And they were always, they were willing to, whatever I wanted to do, they were gonna have my back on. They were really happy knowing that I ended up going to some sort of school, so they're real happy. I'd like to say they were pretty proud, and they were even more proud when I landed this job. I want to be real confident at what I do. Forklifts are a bit different from cars or diesel trucks, so it's still kind of intimidating coming into some of these things, but I want to, sometime in the near future, be able to tackle a project and know I'd be pretty comfortable in what I'm doing, which I'm sure I'll be capable of eventually.